run different sizes of BMW G20 wheel spacers with no problems. However, different versions of the BMW G20 may have different distance from the front wheels to the fenders, even if they are the same exact cars. This gap between the front wheel and the rear wheel is different. Knowing how much the wheel gap helps you choose the correct wheel spacer size, which can make the BMW G20 wheel flush with the fender. Place a straight edge against the outermost part of the tires, then measure from the outside wheel to the fender line. If the rear wheel is 50mm, then 50mm BMW G20 wheel spacers will flush the wheels with the fender. High-end BMW G20 wheel spacers should not be bad for your cars. Unlike most spacers people find in the market, BONOSS spacers are exceptionally strong, making them very durable. Such spacers can handle more forces without breaking. Due to the superforging process, BONOSS BMW G20 wheel spacers are lighter and have better corrosion resistance. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are exquisite and geared toward improving performance and aesthetics. A key advantage of BONOSS BMW G20 wheel spacers is the Lightweight Plus feature. The benefit of the Lightweight Plus design of BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacers mean that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, and improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous January product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice.